Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Firefox browser for your Windows 10 or 11. So first you open your browser, any browser that you are using, and then in the search bar you can either type Firefox browser or you can type it all, Mozilla Firefox browser, and then you will find the first and official website, and make sure to use the official one. You just click here. And then it is very easy and simple. As you can see, there is directly the download button. You just click here and the download will start automatically as you want. After that, we just click on this file. We continue by clicking yes, and as you can see, there is the status. Now the browser is installing, and once it finishes, we can use the browser as we want. Now, as you can see, the browser is installed and there is nothing complicated to do, and we can start using this browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.